Alright, I am going to show everyone how to make an installer using Install Creator Pro. And since I see a lot of people asking about the registration keys, I'm going to show you how you do that too. Alright, you want to open up Install Creator Pro. Go to the wizard. Go to the files window. I made my own database file kind of thing, so I will use it. It's kind of for a paranormal thing, but okay. Click next. Here you want to put the name of your product, Paradata version 1.0, and click next. Here's where you want to do, if you want to do codes and that. Gotta click here, generate short registration codes. You want to copy this, maybe put it somewhere. I usually grab a notepad, paste it in there, click next. Okay, I usually just use the small screen. This right here is for this. See, if you want to change your left bitment, I already have some made. I can change it to this, and it comes up that way. You can do the same for the top, which changes the little picture. This one, I'll change it to that. So now instead of having that little picture up there, I got this one up there. You want to click next. This is something, information to display to install process if you want to put some details on what they need to do. This right here is for your license. I always have my license down here. Select all, copy, paste my license in there, and go to next. That usually just leave. Click next. Please enter the name. This right here is I want to start an icon for my exe. So there's my Paradata exe. I'd open that. Add the name of the thing. Want to add a desktop shortcut, and of course it's got to be in your folder that of what you're working on. Use my para. Click next. See, this stuff right here I usually just skip. Uninstall program on the versions. And I always click do not build the install program. Click finish. And then you go up here and click Tools, Users. Let's see. This is old, I'll get rid of it. Okay, you want to put a new one in. This is going to be for Paradata. Enter. Okay, now here's where you need that notepad you had. You want to take this code that you had here, copy it, paste it into here. Make sure you check short. Then you go over here to users, add a user, add the name, I'm just kind of making up stuff. And all that. Then you calculate your code. And there's your code for copy and close. I usually take it, paste it in there so I have it. But and then you close that out. You want to save the list? Yes. Okay, now you go to build and build your thing here. I'll put it here. Paradata version 1.0. Save. Now this part right here usually takes a little while. What I will end up doing is cutting a lot of this part out so you don't have to see all this. Okay, now that it is done building, I can show you what we got. Save changes to install? Yes. I usually just leave it install. Alright, now if we go here to where I saved it, right here is my installer. Double click it. I mean, I'm sure you know how to do this part and stuff. There's my installer coming up. I agree to the terms. As you can see, it already has my code down here that I put here since I already had it pasted. If you're sending this to somebody, they won't have it pasted already, so you'll send them the code. But then I put in my name. Destination doesn't exist? Yes. Start. Now it's installing. Like I said, if you notice on the part where you're doing the registration, it gives you an option to save an email. So you can email it directly to the person along with the download link where they download the program or whatever it is you made. Just wait for this to get done installing. It's taking a little bit here. And there it is. That's all there is to it. Right here's my program now. And there it is. A lot of different stuff here. Well, that's it. That's how you make it. Hope you enjoy it.